Did you know that sometimes the letter E can be a little bit sneaky? It can sneak to the back of a word. And when we have an E at the end of a word, it's quiet and it doesn't make a sound. But its job is to reach out and tap the first vowel in the word, making that vowel say its name. It makes the first vowel of the word say its long sound. So let's look at a couple examples that have the magic E at the end of the word and make sure it all makes sense. This is the word cap, k-a-p. But when we add an E to the end of it, it becomes cape, k-a-p, cape. Here's the word cub, k-a-b, cub. But when we add the E to the end of it, it becomes cube, k-u-b, cube. Here's the word fin, f-i-n. But when we add the E to the end of it, it becomes fine, f-i-n, fine. Here's the word kit, k-it, kit. But when we add the E to the end of it, it becomes kite, k-i-t, kite. So sometimes the letter E likes to be sneaky. It sits really quiet at the end of a word and doesn't say a sound at all. But even though it's silent, it has a very special power. It's like the magic E is waving a magic wand and it's saying, "Hey vowel, say your name instead of your sound."